Florida breaks its daily COVID hospitalization record for the 9th day in a row. According to the Florida Hospital Association, more than 13,000 people are hospitalized, including some children. The state leads the nation with the highest number of pediatric patients currently hospitalized with COVID at almost 180. That's according to the Department of Health and Human Services. On your side's Kaylee Tracy has been looking at the numbers all day as kids head back to the classroom. She's joining us live right now outside Wolfson Children's Hospital in downtown Jacksonville. And Kaylee, we've been talking about this, that they're seeing a spike in pediatric patients.
Anthony, just to give you perspective, here at Wolfson this time last week, there were 10 pediatric patients with COVID. Right now, as you just heard Heather say, there are 21, 10 admitted just yesterday.
Kids are our most precious thing we have. And I mean, if we can't protect them, I don't know.
Dr. Mobeen Rathore, Chief of Pediatric Infectious Diseases and Immunology at UF Health Jacksonville, says hospitals are seeing a high number of COVID patients in all age groups, including children.
With children, it is very striking and very concerning.
Monday, Baptist Health reported 21 children hospitalized at Wolfson Children's Hospital. 6 are in the ICU. There are 2 pediatric patients at UF Health Jacksonville as of Monday. Across the country, according to the American Academy of Pediatrics, 4.2 million children have had COVID since the pandemic started. According to the CDC, 542 children, 17 and younger, have died from the virus, including a 16-year-old last week at Wolfson.
We have this idea that, oh, it's okay for kids to get infection because they're not going to be seriously ill. Well, they are not only going to get seriously ill, they can get into the hospital, get admitted to the hospital, get into the ICU, get intubated, be on a ventilator, and sometimes, unfortunately, even die.
Florida admitted the most pediatric patients out of the entire U.S. with COVID Sunday, 49 children, according to the Department of Health and Human Services. Dr. Rathore says as school starts, we need to do everything in our power to protect everyone, especially those who are too young to get vaccinated.
It's extremely important that we make sure that kids wear masks in school. I think it's also important that everybody who's eligible for coronavirus vaccine, not just kids, but staff and faculty are all immunized. And everybody, regardless of whether they are vaccinated or not, should wear a mask.
Coming up at 6, Rathore explains his concern for all kids who have COVID, whether they're hospitalized or not. For now, reporting live downtown, Kaylee Tracy, First Coast News on your side.